In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on Kick using OBS Studio. So I'll be showing you everything you need to know from live streaming your games and just the overall best settings to use when live streaming. Now, the first thing we need to do is head over to an internet browser and then just go and load up the website kick.com. Now, in the top right hand side, click on the login button and you'll need to sign in to your Kick account. If you don't already have one, you can create one for free by clicking sign up. And then once you're signed in, you can just click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then you can click on create a dashboard. In the left hand side, click on the drop down arrow next to channel, and then select stream URL and key. Now we're going to be needing this information for OBS Studio. So go and open up another internet browser and type in OBS Studio and click on this website here. If you don't already have OBS Studio installed, then you can just select your operating system and you'll need to go through the quick steps to install this onto your computer. Once you have OBS Studio installed, you can open up the application and it should look something similar to this. Now, once you're in OBS, the first thing we need to do is click on the settings button in the bottom right hand side and then click on stream from the left navigation. Click on the drop down arrow next to service and select custom. Now we need to enter the server information, which is what we can find on Kick. So let's head back over to our Kick browser. And the first thing we have is the stream URL. So we're just going to go ahead and click on this icon to the right hand side. You may need to enter the 6-digit code that will have been emailed to you. Now, once you have this information, just click on the copy button next to the stream URL. You can then click back on OBS Studio and we're going to paste in the URL to the server like so. You can then come back over to the Kick website and you're going to do the same for the stream key as well. So go and copy the key, head back over to OBS. And then we're just going to delete all of this text and go and paste in your stream key. Once you've done this, press apply and OK. Now, before we can start streaming, there's a couple of other settings that we need to go and change. So come back over to settings in the bottom right hand side. You can then click on the video tab. For the base canvas resolution, make sure you have this set to 1920 by 1080. For the output scaled resolution, this should also be the same. Click on the drop down arrow next to FPS and set this to 60. If you're experiencing any kind of lag, you can try reducing this down to 30. You're then going to click on output from the left hand side, change the output mode to advanced, make sure streaming is selected, and then come down to the bitrate and change this to 6000. For the rate control, set this to CBR and the keyframe interval should be set to 2 seconds. Click on the drop down next to CPU preset and set this to faster. For the video encoder, you want to have this set to either X264, or if you have a dedicated GPU, you can use hardware encoding instead. Then just press apply and OK. Now, the last thing you need to do is go and add a scene and also a source as well. So if you haven't already created a scene, just click on the plus icon in the bottom left hand side and you can go and press OK. You'll also need to add a source, and that's how we're going to record our screen and also webcam and things like that. So click on the plus icon down in the bottom and then go and select your capture method. This will typically be display capture, or you can use game capture as well. I'm just going to click on display. Click on OK. For the capture method, set this to automatic. Click on the drop down next to display and then just go and select your monitor. You can then press OK. Now you should be able to see your screen in this window, and this is what's going to be live streamed over to Kick. Now you can also click on the plus icon and you can add things such as video capture device, which is webcam as well. Now all you need to do is go and click on the start streaming button in OBS Studio. This is going to connect to your Kick account. If you then head back over to your Kick profile, you can click on stream from the left hand side. You may need to go in, refresh the page, and as you can see, we're now live streaming on our Kick account. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.